You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you here on this channel. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. The top word here is a verb, and it's one of the most confusing pronunciations. In English, it's pronounced vow. It's like a promise when you vow to do something. Vow is how to say it. Now, the bottom word is an onomatopoeia, is an exclamation, and it's pronounced wow, wow, wow. All right, so vow is the top word, to vow, and bottom word, wow. And now, you know it all. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.